Hey guys, today we're working on this 2016 Subaru Forester. While we're in here, I'm going to show you guys on how to remove and replace this item right here. This guy first. If you take your hands right here and just let's see if you can pull on it without breaking it. There he goes. These little guys right here, hold them into here. So if you put your hands right here and just peel them backwards, these guys will come out. And then this guy, same deal. Just yank on them, they'll come out. Same for this side. Okay, now we have these Phillip clips right here. Let me pull one out and show you. Both sides have them. Oh, there it is. It's like this. So if you take your screwdriver and just slowly turn it, it'll come out. If you push on it and turn it, it won't come out. It's plastic. There's one on each side. There's another one right here. Pull this one out too. Don't lose these guys. These are specific to that. There's one little hanger right here. There's a screw in here. Little hanger right here. It's one of these guys. Pull that out, and there's one more. It's over here on this side. Right here. Take a flathead, open this door. There's one more screw in there. Right here. The rest of this thing is held on by clips. I usually just grab here at the end, like here, and just pull. The thing will come out. Yeah. See, it's held on by these guys. These little clips. You have two 12s here. One here. One here. These two 12s. Then slide this thing out through the back. The big hole right here. There's a plug right here. Just push on it and you can pull down and it'll pop out, or just pull it out. And I don't know what happens, something inside here breaks. Just replace that. And before putting it back in, let's say you got the new one. Plug it in, because it's a pain in the butt to plug it in up there. And this thing will not want to function this way. It only goes one way, so you can't mess it up. Put these guys back in. Tighten that up. That's how you replace the lock actuator. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna go and start putting these panels back on. Just the exact way they came off. I'm starting with the big one, which is going to be the funnest one to put on. Make sure when you guys pull the panel off that none of these guys got stuck on the panel. If they did, pull them out, put them in here. And you got some going this way and some going that way. So what I like to do is get these guys clipped in first and then pop these guys in. So key is to find out where these guys are roughly right around there. See, you pop that in, and then these guys kind of just, if you don't force them, they just go back in their own spot. If you start pounding like this, don't do it. It's not you're gonna break them. You can give it a little bit of a tap. Hold it right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the screws back in. One screw in here. Okay, one screw up in here. These guys are gonna be, these guys up here, they go up in here. These are gonna be hard to put in because these are all expanded. You gotta get all these in the same hole. So try to, you know, make them as small as possible. You know, there he goes. I got that one in. I'm gonna go ahead and screw that back in. Aha, successful. So you screw this guy out some more. That's all it goes. Aha. Aha, there you go. I got him, finally. And now we're gonna put this guy on these two clips right here. These are the things that they go right into here. Very easy. Let me go take care of these guys. Corey. There's a little tab up here. That little tab, it has a really hard time clipping in over there. Sometimes push the glass out a little bit. So there you go. Pop in. Try to catch that lip first. It'll be easier on this side because sometimes you put this in. This thing doesn't want to pop in. So try to catch that lip first and then come around this side. It'll be easier. Aha. There you go. Boom. And then last but not least is this guy. Not too many tools, an 8, a number 10, Phillips, and these guys. On to the next project. All right.